Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Mac is ready. Check Mac OS and whether you have Intel 64-bit or Apple Silicon. Once done, make 1020GB available and install Homebrew plus Xcode command line tools so dependencies build correctly. If you're on Apple Silicon, install Rosetta 2 to run Intel binaries. Make sure to note whether system integrity protection must be toggled off. You'll re-enable it later. These prerequisites let you compile or run the emulator without unexpected permission errors. Next, pick a reliable Xbox 360 emulator build. Community forks often work best. Download or clone the source, then use Homebrew to install required libs. If compiling, run configure, make, and sudo make install. This ensures native binaries. For pre-built releases, move the app to /applications. Once installed, grant accessibility, full disk access, and any kernel extension permissions in system preferences so the emulator can read controllers and files. Make sure shader cache and permissions are correct before launching. Finally, configure game files and emulator settings. Convert or mount Xbox 360 ISOs, point the emulator to any required BIOS, and choose your GPU backend. On Mac, prefer Metal or Vulkan via Molten VK. Map controllers, set CPU cores and threads, and test with a low-resolution profile while building shader caches. If the game crashes, check emulator logs and console output. Update Mac OS graphics drivers. Try a different emulator build or temporarily toggle SIP. Make sure to re-enable SIP and verify permissions after fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.